So I bought these cast iron chair and little table the other day at a garage sale, and I'm hoping to restore them and give them a new life. Well, I got it all disassembled, getting ready to start cleaning on it, and I saved some of the better boards for patterns. These old pine boards are pretty bad shape, so I'm going to be replacing them with some oak that I cut here on the place. So I soaked all the old rusty hardware in vinegar overnight, and I think it turned out really good. I'm going to go ahead and use it. Finally getting a little bit of assembly work done.